Okay, yo guys, what is up? Oh, ow. So, today, I have a problem. So, quick backstory. I was at the parade and I got this rifle, right? It is sick. The thing is, I was, bashing it into my, basketball hoop and, this is what happens. Now, you might be wondering, actually, I don't think you might be wondering anything. I'm just stupid. Okay, I'm trying to find the. I swear, the piece was here. 5 seconds ago, the piece was here. Is this house haunted? Where the is this? I'm sorry if you hear screaming. Okay, guys, for some reason, I can't find the piece. Now, if my mom walks out here, she's gonna be like, "What the what?" She's gonna be like, "What the happened?" And not good. So, yeah. I hope she doesn't come out. Hold on, my cat is out the door. Look at it. Oh, he jumped off. I just hear coughing and I just hearing things. Yo, comment down below if you heard the coughing. Cause I heard coughing. Okay, so sorry. So comment down below if you think. Wait, no. So say dad if you think Veshrami, if you hate Veshrami, and then say mom if you think that Veshrami is, if you like Veshrami, if you think Veshrami is cool. Well, I don't hate him, but just you should see my comments in some of his shorts. Yo, it is so hilarious, literally. I don't hate him, but my comments are pretty savage. You should check them out. They're only on a few of his videos. Now, comment down below if you don't know, if you think you know where the piece went. And actually, you don't even know. Wait, hold on. I'm going to show you where it could be. It could be over here. And then it could be over here in my lawn driveway. Yeah, it might be in my long driveway. Or in the grass right here. Yeah, I don't know. Okay. So when I post, I have school Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So I might not post on those days, or else, well, I might, but they might just be shorts and stuff. So when I post, it's usually going to be like, well, when I have videos, it's probably going to be like Saturday or Sunday, probably. I don't know. But probably those days. But I do have chores because my mom made like a chore list. And I hate chores. Comment down below if you like chores or hate chores. Sorry, just doing some parkour. And by the way, I did have the piece, but I don't know where it went. It might have blew away by the winds. Hold on, guys. I see a cat on my counter. Get off the counter! Okay. I gotta run by and sneak this in somehow. Okay, I think I know how to do it. Hi. Yo, Bobby, I need your help. Come out here right now. Yo, I need your help right now. Sorry, I'm talking to my brother. Huh? Outside or upstairs? Bobby, I need your help right now. This! My rifle!
He broke his rifle.
Yeah.
How do you... Let me see that thing.
I had one piece, but it might have blew away by the winds. Oh, never mind. Yeah, that's why I was asking you for tape, Mom.
Why would you do that?
Okay, goodbye, guys. Peace.